Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Right now I'm going to give you a summer squash update. We planted these not that long ago, just a couple of weeks, I think actually 3 weeks ago, and they're doing pretty good, as you can tell. 10 inches under the soil are a bunch of fish that we had fixed into the ground. The roots should grow to be about 14 inches or so, so they'll be able to get into those fish any day now. So I'm thinking that they're having a positive impact on the growth of these plants. We've kept them in metal cages. That's just a wood frame. We originally tried plastic cages before, but the squirrels were tearing through the plastic. They can't tear through that metal. Metal works, everything else does not. We did fix lime over top of the fish to try and keep the critters out, but that seems to have not worked as well, so that's why we set the cages. So going forward, I don't think I'm going to use lime. I'm just going to simply use cages. Now, when these squash plants start to get a little bit bigger, I'm going to have to remove the cages, but by then the fish should be decomposed well enough to where they're not attracting critters. We don't see any fruiting or barely any flowers yet. Over here you'll see, let's look inside. You can see the start of some flowers. They'll be nice and yellow, but overall this is looking like it's going to be a good grow of summer squash. Also, I don't see any sign of worms whatsoever yet. We started late in the season last year and we got tons of worms. It was really hard to fight them. Anyhow, stay tuned. I'll keep you updated on the progress of these summer squash. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel out quite a bit. Have a good day.